Hey everyone! If you're experiencing high ping, packet loss, or lag in CS2, I'll show you several easy methods to fix it. Just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Open CS2. Click the settings icon. Open the game tab. Find buffering to smooth over packet loss. If it's set to none, change it to 1 packet. If you're still getting packet loss, change it to 2 packets. If the problem still persists, open command prompt as administrator. Type the following command: IP protocol configuration/release. Then press enter. Now type IP protocol configuration/flushtons. Then press enter. Next type IP protocol configuration/renew. Then press enter. Now type netch int IP reset. Then press enter. Finally type netch winsock reset. Then press enter. If the problem still persists, right-click on your desktop. Click Display Settings. Scroll down. Open Graphics. Click Browse. If you don't know where CS2.exe is located, open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click Counter-Strike 2. Select Manage. Click Browse Local Files. Open the game folder. Then bin. Then Win64. Copy the folder address. Go back to the graphics window. Click Browse. Paste the folder address. Press Enter. Select CS2.exe. Click Add. Select CS2 from the graphics list. Click Options. Choose High Performance. Then click Save. If the problem still persists, open Windows Search. Search for Control Panel. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click your current network. Select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8. Set the alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. Click OK. If the problem still persists, open Windows Search. Search for Network Reset. Open it. Click Reset Now. Restart your computer. Now launch CS2. The high ping, packet loss, and lag should now be reduced. If you're still having this problem, let us know in the comments. We'll make a guide for you. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy guides. Thank you for watching.